Hello students of class 5. So today I am going to discuss about the upcoming online examination of mathematics. So the question paper pattern will be, all the question will be your multiple choice question, and one or two question may be of true or false, and one will be match the following. Okay, so no need to write in the paper, that means the questions, you no need to write there in mobile phone, just you have to click the correct option. Okay, which one is correct, you have to click the correct option only. And during the examination you have to take out one rough copy for calculation, like division, multiplication or addition or subtraction. You have to calculate it. Okay, the word problem, you have to calculate it, you have to solve it, then you have to tick mark the correct answer. Okay, so no need to write in that exam, just you have to tick mark the correct answer. Okay, so first of all, the syllabus, already I have given the syllabus. The syllabus for mathematics exam is chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3. First chapter is about numbers, second chapter is about addition and subtraction, and third chapter is multiplication and division. So from second and third chapter probably you will get some of the word problem regarding your addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Okay, so let us come to the revision part. So I have taken 2-3 questions. So see how to click the correct option. So first will be MCQ, multiple choice question. Here there will be 4 options which will be given, and the question is, see, write the Roman numeral for 92. So if you want to solve it, you can also solve using your copy. You can take out your copy and you can solve, and you can also write the Roman numeral for 92. And if you remember the Roman numeral for 92, you can directly click the correct option. So see, XC5 is 95, XC15 is what? 94, C5. As you know, C is 100, so 100 plus V means 5, so 105. So XCII will be the correct answer. This is 90, XC will be 90 and II will be 2, so 92. So now how to click the correct option? See, just you have to go to this circle. This type of round circle will be there, small circle. You have to click it just here. If you are using your mobile phone, then you can use your finger to click here. If you are using the computer, then also you can take the mouse there and you can click the correct option. So this will be the correct option. So like that you have to click. Okay. So now come to the question number 2. Here one formula is given and you have to see the option. What is in option? True, false. That means this formula is correct or it is false. You have to tick the correct option. So as you know, the formula of average is this one. So this is the true, this is true, this formula is true, that means we have to click on the true button. Okay, so this will be true. Now come to one match the following question. So in match the following, see, 2 lists will be given, list 1, list 2. Okay, so here see, I have taken very simple example. So see here, 4 into 2 is 8. So you can use also copy. So 4 2s are 8. Like this, 2 columns will be there. And now see, this is 8. Now you have to match 8 with the numbers given in list 2. So where we will get 8? See, when we divide 56 by 7, you will get what? 8, because 7 8s are 56. So that means this will be matched with the 4 number option. So how to match it? Already it is given in the video, you have seen, I think. But if you have not seen how to do, see, just here small this type of rectangle is given. Okay, this rectangle is inverted rectangle. Inverted means ulta. Okay, so this is inverted rectangle is given. Just you have to click in this rectangle. After clicking, you will get 1 2 3 4. That means out of the 4 options, which will be correct. So you have to click on 4. So by clicking on 4, here the number will be like this, 4 dot. Okay, that means this option will be matched with what? Number 4 here. That's why 4 is mentioned. Okay. Next come to the second number. 5 into 10 is 50. Again this is 50. That means now you have to check which which will be matched with this second number. So you know 150 divided by 3 will be what? 50. Okay, so this matched with this number. So again you have to click in this inverted triangle. Okay, after clicking again you will get this type of option. So you have to click on what? Number 2. So when you click on number 2, here it will show like this. Okay, 2 full stop. Similarly for this one again you have to check with the list 2 numbers. Okay, like that you have to match it. Okay, so I hope you are getting. If you have any difficulty you can also call me. Okay, so these type of question will be asked, and some more questions like word problems about word problem related to division or multiplication. Okay, you know when division will be applicable when there will be cost of many items is given and you have to find the cost of one item, then you have to use division. Similarly, multiplication is the reverse process of division. That means if for one item the cost is given, then you can easily find the cost of many items by using multiplication. So division, multiplication, word problem, there will be word problem related to division and multiplication. So next will be the questions related to chapter 1, that are you have to write write in words, or you have to write in figures. If any number is given, you have to write in figures or you have to write in words. Okay, that type of question may come. Or next will be formation of a 7-digit number or formation of 8-digit number with or without repetition. Okay, this type of question will come. Those questions which I have discussed in the video lecture, that type of question will come, but it will not come from the book itself. Okay, I have given questions that are conceptual, which you have studied, okay, which you have practiced from the book itself. That type of question will come, just the numbers will be what? Different. Okay, numbers will be different because I have not given the same numbers exactly from the book. I have given the questions differently, but the concept behind that questions are same. Okay, so sufficient time is given. Try to utilize your time properly. 3 hours is given. Okay, so after checking 2-3 times, then only confirm the correct option. Okay, click on the correct option. So try to use your rough copy for calculating the sums. Okay, after that only, after proper confirmation, you have to click in the correct option. Okay, and if you didn't understand any question, if you have any doubt in any question, you can take help for understanding from your father or mother, because that time you are at home, so you can take help from them also. And if you don't understand, you can call us also. Okay, so try to go through all the concept from chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3. Okay, so all the very best to you. So enough time is there. Don't correct the option randomly. This is my suggestion. Okay, so you have enough time, you can utilize your time properly. Okay, so thank you.